I'm pretty sure there are only a few videos out right now on YouTube about this certain pair of sneakers that we'll be looking at today. It does come in this red Nike sportswear box, the official colorway being Phantom Black Pale Vanilla. It is a Nike Terminator High, as you know from the title and the thumbnail. And these particular pair of shoes are the Nike Terminator High in the exact black Phantom Pale Vanilla colorway, also being dubbed as Vintage Pandas, which I'll get into a little bit about that later on how I feel about that name. But like I said, these are the Nike Terminator High Black Phantom Pale Vanilla, whatever you want to call it, Vintage Pandas. And here are some close-up looks at it. As I mentioned, there are only a few videos out on YouTube about this shoe. It's nothing popular. It's nothing, hyped up or like, low key. It's just a Nike Terminator High, which is a model that Nike's released a few different colorways of recently. And it's in a very simple black and white color with this aged midsole look, which I know a lot of people are not big fans of, and there are people that actually are fans of that. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this shoe and this colorway. Like I said, the Nike Terminator High is a shoe that Nike has released a little bit recently. There was a Georgetown colorway that came out not too long ago. I think last year. They also pushed out this green, like this. I think it was called Noble Green colorway. I think that's still on sneakers, the sneakers app. If you want to buy that, as we take a look here, it comes with these extra pair of cream vintage colored laces that you can swap on to the shoe if you don't want these black laces, which when we get into the on feet later on, I do switch on one of the pairs with the cream lace so you can see how they look. But yeah, like I said, let me know what you guys think of this. It's supposed to be this vintage look, vintage inspired look. Like I said, I've seen some places call these vintage pandas, which, the panda nickname kind of gets a bad rep for obvious reasons. And I think it's calling anything pandas is kind of corny to me now, so I'll stick to the Black Phantom nickname rather than the vintage pandas. But let's take a look at these on feet. Alright, stepping into the on feet portion of the video. Let me know how you guys feel about these shoes now that you see them on feet. As you can see, I put on the cream laces on one of the shoes and kept the black laces on the other pair. Let me know how you feel about that. Honestly, I was really digging the black laces, and I don't know. I feel just from after seeing this, I feel like I kind of like the cream laces more. I'm gonna put the cream on the other pair and see how they look, but I think I'm gonna go with the cream laces. In terms of sizing, I stuck true to size. I went with my size 11.5 true to size. That's what I wear in most of my Nike shoes, Jordans, all of that. They fit me just right, so whatever your true to size is, I suggest going with that. And in terms of comfort, they're very standard. They weren't uncomfortable. I mean, I've only worn them for this short amount of time doing the on feet, but they felt very low to the ground. Nothing super special. Just a very standard pair of Nike shoes. Standard Nike comfort. But yeah, very simple colorway, simple shoe. Let me know how you guys feel about these shoes. Just a very quick review on these shoes today. Like I said, let me know how you guys feel, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.